Hey Fab Fam, today is wash day and we're cleaning this dirty hair. So you can see we have our shampoo and our conditioner ready. So our shampoo purpose is to cleanse our hair, get rid of all the buildup, look at that texture, and plus it's very lathering to get rid of all that gunk and oils in your hair. So now we're using our hibiscus treatment, which you should be doing a treatment at least every 2 weeks to once a month, depending on your hairstyle. Our hibiscus treatment has hibiscus, of course, in it, and peppermint to help to stimulate the scalp. So while using your treatment, make sure you work it in in sections, working it in from root to tip, coating all of your hair. We often tell our customers to leave in the treatment for 45 minutes if you don't have time, like me today, or leave it in for 4 to 8 hours for a deep conditioner. We want to make sure that penetrates your scalp, penetrates your each hair strand to get into there and do what it has to do. Because remember now, our hair is clean, all that buildup is gone and washed away, so it's fresh, it's free, it's open to receive all of this treatment goodness. Look at it. Make sure you work on your roots, and of course, it is snack time because wash days are very time consuming. So make sure get your snack in, ladies. So now it is leaving it on, like I said, 45 minutes or at least all day if you could. So we washed it out. Look at it. It's clean. It's shining. But now it's time to put in our conditioner. Our conditioner has lavender scent, almond oil. It's very creamy and it works through the hair to help you to continue to detangle. Look at that. So remember, I'm always working it through. All of my products, I work it through from root to tip. And I did most of my hard work in the shower where I worked it from tip to root to really detangle my hair. But now that it's basically cleansed and detangled very well, I can go from root to tip. So just giving you a little close up on that conditioner and how it's creamy and it works through the hair. And with your conditioner, if you're using the one to wash out, remember you could leave it in for a few minutes and then wash it out. As you see me, I'm squeezing out the excess hair, making sure I'm focusing on the roots so that all that goodness get into my hair strands. That's why I'm squeezing it. So now we are basically almost done. So it is time to moisturize, and our hair is back to life. The curls are defining very well, as you can see, because we already cleaned up all of that dirt. So this is our smoothest butter moisturizer, and like always I tell you guys to rub it on like you rubbing lotion on your skin. Rub it in that hand and get in there root to tip, because we want to seal in the water that is on the hair already. This would helps to prevent dryness, which helps to prevent breakage for our hair. And remember, if you're rocking your own hair, every few days, spritz some water, use our hibiscus mist spray, and reapply your moisturizer to your scalp. So basically, this is it. So now at this step, you could proceed to style and have a great day. Bye.